Hello, welcome back to Crazy Programmers. Today we're going to be looking at a brand new block. This block is the join block. We may be using these three blocks too. Let's get started. What this can do is pretty much create some pretty crazy sentences. We'll use the username block to help that out. So we could say hello, and then we'll put a space, and then it'll say your username. Hello, be Alex. Let's get a little more. This could be used to create some crazy things, like crazy sentences. No, actually, let's not do that this episode. If the username contains a specific letter, which mine does, I don't think it contains a U, which it doesn't. So let's try to create some pretty crazy things. But what you can create with it is a timer. Let's start that up, shall we? First, when the flag clicked, let's start this up. We have what we're going to use is the current block. Current year, month, date, day of the week. We're going to use hour, minute, and second to help us. Also make a variable for this. Watch my variables video for a few extra things. We're going to say time. How to set this up is you're going to want to have this block. So you can have two different outcomes. Place this as 10. Say current minute. You can also stack these to make this. Cool to me. Okay, so let's get an if-else block. This one. Put that here. Then we'll grab two of these blocks. These will be your two different outcomes. So we'll grab a few of these. Current hour is like 9, which is the current hour. Current minute. So now we're just gonna duplicate this block. Grab another one. Take this one out. Put this right here. No way, actually put that right here. Then put that right there. Take a quick minute to look at this. Change banana to 0. Now put this one with the 0 in the first slot. Then put this one in this slot. And look at that. It's 9:45. So what the first one does this says, let me see if I can explain this. It's 6:09. It's 6:09. It would just say, so if it was 6:09, it would just say 6:9. So what this does is add a 0 to it. Also, put this here if you want it to kind of be like a clock. That's all I'm going to do in this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.